Hello everyone. I want to extend my warm greetings and heartfelt welcome to all the missionaries of the International Fall Gospel Church, the Northern California Sacramento Philam Missionaries, representing a coalition of Christian churches headed by Pastor Natalie Andros. Your commitment to spreading the gospel and leading others to Christ is truly inspiring. As a man who has encountered many battles both in and out of the ring, I have come to realize that the greatest victory we can achieve is not in winning titles or earning fame, but in finding salvation through Jesus Christ. There was a time when I thought success was measured by worldly achievements, but the Lord opened my eyes to what truly matters, our relationship with Him. My life has been transformed by God's everlasting love and amazing grace, guiding me through every challenge and giving me purpose beyond what this world can offer. I pray that you will seek a deeper relationship with God and grow in intimacy with Him. Put God first at all times and don't forget to read the Bible day and night and meditate on it. Because the Lord said in Joshua 1 verse 8, keep this book of the law always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you become prosperous and successful. So therefore, brothers and sisters, for the word of God is alive in Hebrews 4 verse 12 and 13. For the word of God is alive and active, sharper than any double-edged sword. It penetrates even to dividing souls and spirit, joints and marrow. It judges the thought and attitudes of the heart. Nothing in all creation is hidden from God's sight. Everything is uncovered and laid bare before the eyes of Him to whom we must give account. So thank you everyone. God bless.